Today we are discuss about introduction of Raman effect. The Raman effect is a phenomena where light interact with the molecules and get scattered. While most of the photons are scattered with any change in energy, they are called Rayleigh scattering. But a very small number, about 1 in 10 millions, are scattered with a change in energy. They are called inelastic scattering. This effect was discovered by Sir C.V. Raman in 1928. This effect involved a shift in the frequencies of the scattering light. The new frequencies can be either lower or higher than the original light. The lower frequency lines are called Stokes lines and the anti-Stokes lines are the higher frequency side. These changes in frequency correspond to the vibration or rotational energy levels of the molecules, and the resulting spectrum is called the Raman spectrum. The difference between the original and the scattered frequencies is called Raman shift. This discovery is important because it provides a way to study the internal structure and the energy levels of molecules. In this section, we provide questions and answers corresponding to the above concept. Please go through the following section for memorizing the lecture.